Hey guys, Dalton here with US Steam, and today I'd like to introduce you to our Eagle commercial steam cleaner. The Eagle is by far our best-selling unit, so much so Home Depot trusts to put this unit in every one of their tour rental centers across the country. The Eagle is small and compact, yet incredibly durable. Its powder-coated steel structure will allow it to stand the test of time, and the digital screen makes it really easy when training and learning to use the unit. The most important feature of the machine is the continuous fill. And what that means for you is there's absolutely no downtime between heating cycles. You simply fill it with water and keep going. The Eagle is an incredibly versatile unit. It's our #1 selling unit for tile and grout, but it's also great to be used in restaurants and gyms and pretty much anywhere that needs to be sanitized. When using the Eagle, it's important to know exactly which accessory is right for the task at hand. The most commonly used will be the single hole nozzle, paired with either a 1-inch or 3-inch brush. Traditionally, a 1-inch brush is used to clean the grout lines and a 3-inch brush to clean hard surfaces. You can use them for a number of other areas. The triangle brush, it's great because not only is it big enough to clean large surface areas, but its taper design allows you to get into corners and making it very versatile. The floor brush, large surface area with a number of bristles and plenty of steam to penetrate the pores of the surface to remove the dirt. When finished, you're going to want to take a terry cloth bonnet or some sort of towel and actually clip that onto the brush and go over and capture the dirt that you've left behind. Explore our entire lineup online or give us a call if you have any questions. Thank you so much for choosing US Steam.